Alert! Your mission, should you decide to accept it, will be revealed at HQ. This squirrel will self-destruct. But first, a little dance.
Sure you okay, Big Shot?
Fine, good. No, not good, not good. Yeah, I'm gonna bark.
Welcome to Dog HQ.
3 hours ago, we intercepted this transmission.
I will enslave all mankind!
You can't begin to imagine how dangerous she is.
Our worst fears come true.
We have no other choice.
Cats and dogs will have to work together.
Oh, boy. Your new collar is fitted with the lockpick, netting, helium neon laser, and this is yours.
Sweet! What's it do?
Hold your name tag on your neck.
What the?
I love being a spy dog. I can't see.
I'm too old for this poop!
It's a bird. It's a plane. Nope, had it right the first time.
Oh, jeez.
Don't be scared. I'll hold you, Paul.
Is it true if I tickle your tummy, your foot will shake?
Nah, that's just a myth.
All right, that's enough.
Oh boy, that's it.
This is historic. 3 species putting aside our differences to solve a mystery.
Call me old-fashioned, but I preferred it when we all hated each other.
Wow. Hairball.
Oh, right, the dropping floor thing. I've seen one of those.
Some help here?
Como Cães e Gatos 2, a vingança de Gallore.
Kitty, I'm home.
Soltando os bichos em 3D. Breve nos cinemas, também disponível em 2D.